Enola has a baby brother, and his name is George. Enola has a baby brother, and his name is George. Now she's a big sister, now he's number 4. Enola has a baby brother, and his name is George. Enola has a baby brother, and his name is George. Enola has...
All right, y'all, it is my favorite son's birthday again. Mwah! And he is turning 3 years old today. And so we are headed out for an excursion. We are gonna go do some bowling, hit up the mall, and you know we're gonna eat good and have some snacks. So stay tuned.
A big pretzel.
And have what?
A big pretzel.
Okay, and a big pretzel too. But we're gonna walk. We're gonna get headed to head out here now. So stay tuned, and let's see how this day goes, y'all. Say bye, Georgie. Shout out to the camera. Tell them bye.
And his name is George. Now she's a big sister. Now he's number 4. Enola has a baby brother, and his name is George. Welcome to the world. Welcome to the world. Enola has a baby brother, and his name is George. Welcome to the world. Welcome to the world.
Hey world, today is a special day. George the Fourth is turning 3 years old. Now just to catch you up to speed, George turned 1 back when we were in Quito, Ecuador. He turned 2 while we were in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And now he is turning 3 in beautiful Guatemala City. 1890 bowling in the Oakland Mall is where he chose to bring in his birthday this year. Now, you know we had to go with that bowl / pizza / churro combo with the limonadas. Now, of course, this is all about the kids, but to be honest, my wife and I are highly competitive, so you know I'm finna bust her head wide open on this glorious day. Now, I will say it is hard to concentrate anytime there are churros involved, but I'm gonna make it happen. The alley was clean and also running smoothly. They had the reggaeton playing on the TV screens with the half-naked ladies, so I had plenty of motivation. See that? That's knock all them down. Can I get some love? Can I get some love? Can I get some love? George, over here, big boy. You can't run, okay? Let me just got me there. You go. So we just finished up bowling. You know I had to put in that work on them. How'd y'all do? How'd y'all do?
Good.
Who won?
Me.
You didn't. You won?
Yeah.
You didn't win.
Who won? Georgie.
Georgie. Well, yeah, we enjoyed this bowling alley, and you know we only got an hour, so lucky me. Cause let's look at the score real quick. I beat Casey by 4 points.
He went 3 times. I only got to go twice, so I'm pretty sure I would have got him.
Well, hey, that's just the luck of the bowling guys. But we're gonna see what we got going on for Georgie's birthday for the rest of the day, y'all. So stay tuned. 100. Well, stop number 2, we came down to the park outside of the Oakland Place Mall. It's set up very nice for the kids. A lot of different things for them to do, lots of slides and activities, and it's a beautiful day, y'all. The sun's shining. I think it's about 78 degrees. Perfect day for my favorite son to have a birthday. So y'all, yeah, we are really enjoying the Oakland Place Mall here. You know, it's hard for us not to compare, but we just spent 3 months in Kuala Lumpur and over in Southeast Asia, and you know, they got it right here in Guatemala, y'all. They got the nice composite wood. Everything's just, you know, thoughtful and thought out. Sometimes when you see some of these playgrounds and green spaces, it seems like it's an afterthought and they just kind of threw it together. But it's very, very well thought out here at the Oakland Place. So we appreciate them for it. What you got to say?
I just want to say that I can tell that Guatemala puts family first, which does most places besides the US. So I can just tell that's definitely at the forefront of everything that they create. And this is no different. Our kids are having a wonderful time.
You know, the other interesting thing I find is that back in the US, the malls are dying. And when we go to every other country, the malls are thriving. Places, you know, all for families to come, you know, of all ages. Everybody's here hanging out. And, you know, we're here in the middle of the day on a Thursday. And I mean, they are fully utilizing this mall. So.
And they do it smart. They put grocery stores in the mall, things that are economical along with like luxury. But it's interesting when we like talk to people here, they'll be like, oh yeah, well it's like a mall like the US. And it's like, no, you have no idea.
Yeah.
The malls in the US are not like this. This is like ahead of its time for sure.
And I will say one of the major differences is the food be good. Y'all, I don't understand. Our food don't be hitting on nothing, but here and abroad, the malls, they be having it right. Okay, we had a great time here. It ended with a birthday blowout. Somebody had boo-boo all up and down themselves. They was playing too hard. So now he just has on a diaper in the middle of the city. We're gonna walk home just in the diaper, right? Like a big boy. It's so good. Soon we will be leaving Guatemala City and will be headed out to see other parts of the country. So please pray for us as we continue on our journey. Blessings from my family to yours.
I'm not with you. You're not with me. You can hide your loot under a tree. If nothing else, just let it be. You can relax. This one is free. Let's go. The right